To our beloved school principal, Ms. Raquel E. Del Valle, to our school president, Ms. Gracia Marita Velasco, to our distinguished guests and visitors, our school administrators, dedicated teachers and staff, our proud parents, and most especially my fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Today is a great day for celebration as we have accomplished one of the major early milestones of our lives, graduation, a journey of growing to the person we want to be in the future. In light of this, I would like to offer my sincerest congratulations to all my fellow graduates. You did a great job and I'm proud of all of you. And of course, we must not forget the people behind their success, the people who have been supporting and guiding us along the way. We must express our gratitude to them because they are the reason why we are here today. Let us all give our biggest thanks to our teachers and parents who supported and guided us continuously throughout this school year. I know that the school year was very challenging and hard for most of us students, yet we still managed to survive through it together. Nevertheless, we continue to get excellent results and good grades. As long as you give it your all and work hard, it doesn't matter anymore if you are an annual achiever or not. I believe that as long as you put a lot of effort to accomplish your goals and help others, it doesn't matter anymore, and you deserve acknowledgement and a congratulations. It's up to us if we can strive to do better or just stay the same. You see, I was once a student with no honors. I was not even in the top 3 achievers nor the top 5 achievers. But because I don't like remaining unchanged, I decided to work hard and improve myself. I knew that with my hard work and determination, I was getting closer to achieving this goal of mine. So I worked even harder till I did it. It took me years to accomplish, while being a blue achiever tested my patience. But I knew that God always has perfect timing. A wise man even said that things are not going according to our plan because there are much better and bigger plans crafted for us. And now, here I am, speaking in front of all of you, delivering this speech as your goal achiever. I hope that you will take my story as an inspiration to never give up on your goals and to continue improving yourself. I also want you to keep a few things in mind as you start this new path. First, never stop learning. The world is constantly changing and you must adapt and evolve to become better. Second, have faith in your own abilities. You can accomplish anything you put your mind to. Lastly, keep in mind the value of helping others as well. Therefore, I want you to leave this place today with a sense of pride, a sense of purpose, and a sense of possibility. You have the power to change yourself and everyone around you. Set out and make it happen. Once again, congratulations to all of the proud parents and my fellow graduates.